What's up? I'm going to run. It's raining right now, but I don't give a fuck. So, let's go. You know what? I took some time off YouTube because, I needed to rest a little bit. I figured about this because, I'm aching all over. I feel like I'm aging quite a bit. A lot of acne, there's a little bit of white hairs showing up on my hair too. So, yeah, it's tough, but yeah, I decided I need to give myself some rest, and then come back. But here I am. I'm back at it, and I'm ready to roll. Thank you guys for keeping your faith in me, and I'll do my part and keep posting videos every single damn day. I'll see you next time.